Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone or laptop, and making money without leaving your home. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you it's possible? Today, we're diving into the top 5 online side hustles that pay beginners well. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or even start a full-time venture, these side hustles are designed to fit into any lifestyle. From working with AI to creating content that goes viral, these gigs are in high demand and can be started with minimal investment. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to get started. Let's get started. 1. Remote AI training and evaluation. Let's kick things off with one hustle that's taken the world by storm: remote AI training and evaluation. As more companies develop advanced AI tools like large language models, LLMs, they still need a lot of human help to ensure these tools function well. And this is where you come in. AI tools, like large language models, LLMs, need tons of human-labeled data to be as accurate and safe as possible. This means your job would be to review AI-generated responses, fact-check them, and evaluate their accuracy based on helpfulness and tone. It's a crucial role in making sure AI performs the way it should. If you got strong writing skills and a keen eye for detail, this side hustle is a great match. You don't need any advanced tech skills, just the ability to evaluate and improve AI responses thoughtfully. You can get started by looking for roles on platforms like dataannotation.tech, Remotasks, or Outlier. These sites often have remote positions that are flexible and beginner-friendly. You can expect to earn anywhere from $15 to $40 per hour, depending on the complexity of the task. Some tasks are quick and easy, while others may require more time and attention, but the pay reflects that effort. The more experience you get, the higher your rate can go. AI is booming, and companies need people like you to ensure that the tools they're building are safe, accurate, and effective. This is a high-demand job with lots of room for growth. 2. Specialized content repurposing. Next up is one of my personal favorites: specialized content repurposing. If you love scrolling through TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, this side hustle is perfect for you. With the explosion of short-form video content, there's an increasing demand for repurposing long-form content like webinars, podcasts, and YouTube videos into bite-sized, shareable clips. You'll use tools like Descript or Opus Clip to find the viral moments in these long videos, then add captions, visuals, and trending audio to make them pop. This hustle is ideal for beginners who are active on social media and have a good sense of what makes content go viral. You don't need to be a video editing expert. Just a basic understanding of short-form content can take you far. You can begin by offering your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Creators and brands are always looking for help turning their long videos into viral hits, so you'll have a lot of opportunities to find clients. Expect to earn between $25 to $75 for each short video you create. As you build your portfolio and reputation, you'll be able to raise your rates and secure bigger projects. Short-form content isn't just a trend. It's how people are consuming media. Brands want to ride that wave, and they're willing to pay for your help to make their content fit this demand. 3. Faceless app promotion channels. If you prefer working behind the scenes, the next side hustle might be just what you're looking for: faceless app promotion channels. This is a rapidly growing trend on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, and it doesn't require you to show your face or build a personal brand. For this hustle, you will create short videos that promote various apps or AI tools by showcasing how they work. All you need is to record screen captures of the apps in action, add trending audio, and include an affiliate link in your bio. You'll earn commissions whenever someone clicks on your affiliate link and buys the app. This hustle is perfect for those who want to stay anonymous but still tap into the creator economy. If you're tech savvy and enjoy showing how apps and tools work, this side gig is a great choice. To get started, you can join affiliate networks like Impact or PartnerStack. They connect you with a variety of software and tools that are perfect for promotion on TikTok or Instagram. Most of your earnings will come from affiliate commissions once you build momentum. It's possible to earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 plus per month, depending on how well your content performs. With the constant release of new productivity apps and AI tools, there's a huge demand for tutorials and app reviews. You can tap into this growing market and create content that generates passive income. Selling niche digital resources. If you're good at creating digital assets and have knowledge in a specific industry, then selling niche digital resources might be the perfect side hustle for you. Many professionals in fields like healthcare, education, and marketing are always looking for resources that can save them time. You'll design things like lesson plans, organizational templates, or specialized spreadsheets and then sell them online. Once you've created these resources, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or niche-specific sites like Teachers Pay Teachers. If you have basic design skills, Canva is a great tool for beginners, and know the ins and outs of a specific professional niche, this hustle can be very profitable. You can start selling your digital products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. If you're focused on creating educational resources, Teachers Pay Teachers is a great place to list your products. You can earn anywhere from $5 to $50 per download. And best of all, this can turn into passive income once your products are online. The more products you create, the more you can earn over time. There's always demand for helpful, time-saving resources in high-stress industries. By offering valuable tools, you can create a steady stream of income without much ongoing effort. 5. AI prompt engineering and workflow setup. Last but certainly not least, we have AI prompt engineering and workflow setup. With the rise of AI in business, small businesses are looking for help setting up AI tools to streamline their operations. This is where you come in. You'll help businesses set up AI-driven workflows, such as creating chatbots or automating their email systems. Using tools like Zapier or Make, you'll streamline tasks and make businesses more efficient, all without needing to know complex coding. If you enjoy using technical tools but don't dive into full-scale programming, this side hustle is perfect. You'll need to be a problem solver who can understand how to connect different systems and make them work together. Reach out to local businesses, such as real estate agents, contractors, or small shops, and offer to set up simple AI tools for them. You can create a fixed-price AI setup package to help them get started. You can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per project setup. The more businesses you help, the more you can earn. This hustle has a potential for repeat business as companies continue to refine their workflows. AI is transforming how businesses operate, and many small businesses need help with the technical side of things. This is a growing field with plenty of opportunities to earn as AI adoption continues to rise. And there you have it. 5 online side hustles that pay beginners and can pay you well. Whether you're into AI, social media, or digital design, there's something for everyone here. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit the like button, share it with someone who could benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. The first step toward success is just a hustle away, so start today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.